Hello everyone, welcome back to Infigyan. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting question from trigonometry. We have to show that tan pi over 7 times tan 2 pi over 7 times tan 3 pi over 7 equal to square root 7. So let's get started by considering, let us say theta is equal to k pi over 7, where k belongs to integers. Now we will multiply this equation by 7 and write 7 theta is equal to k pi. Now we will split 7 theta as 4 theta plus 3 theta equal to k pi. Now I will subtract 3 theta from both the sides. We will get 4 theta is equal to k pi minus 3 theta. Now let's take tan both sides. So tan 4 theta will be equal to tan of k pi minus 3 theta. Now we know that tan n pi minus theta is minus tan theta. So RHS will be minus of tan 3 theta. Left hand side is tan 4 theta. This equation is our equation number 1. Now we are going to calculate tan 3 theta and tan 4 theta. So let us say, consider tan theta is equal to t. I can write the formula of tan 3 theta. We know that tan 3a is 3 tan a. Let us write here. So I will write directly 3t minus tan cube a. So t cube over 1 minus 3 tan square a. So minus 3t square in the denominator. This is our equation number 2. Now we have to calculate tan 4 theta. So I will write tan 4 theta as, we can write 4 as 2 times 2. So tan of 2 times 2 theta. Now if I will consider 2 theta is equal to suppose p, then it is tan 2p formula. So we can write here 2 times tan 2 theta over 1 minus tan square 2 theta. Now we will calculate tan 2 theta separately. I can write 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan square theta. So 2t over 1 minus t square, which we are applying here. So I can write 2 times tan 2 theta. So 2t over 1 minus t square over 1 minus tan square. So I will write 2t over 1 minus t square and then whole square. Now we have to simplify. So I can write 4t in the numerator times 1 minus t square over, after simplification we will get t power 4 minus 6t square plus 1. So this is the value of tan 4 theta. Now this equation I will call equation number 3. Now we will use equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. So I can write equation 1 first. Tan of 4 theta equal to minus tan of 3 theta. Now we have to apply both the values. So tan 4 theta was 4t minus 4t cube over t power 4 minus 6t square plus 1. This we calculated as per equation number 2. Now minus tan 3 theta. As per equation number 3, we will write here 3t minus t cube over 1 minus 3t square. Now we will multiply this minus sign into this bracket and then we will cross multiply. So let me write here 40 minus 4t cube times 1 minus 3t square equal to t cube minus 3t times t power 4 minus 6t square plus 1. Now we will simplify both the sides and we will get, if I will write the direct result is t power 7 minus 21 times t power 5 plus 35 times t cube minus 70 equal to 0. Now we can take t common out. So let me write here t times in the bracket t power 6 minus 21 t power 4 plus 35 t square minus 7 equal to 0. Now we will apply product 0 rule. So we can write either t equal to 0. So I will write here either t equal to 0 or hexic equation in t power 6 minus 21 t power 4 plus 35 t square minus 7 equal to 0. Now t was our substitution tan theta. If I will write here tan theta equal to 0, theta was also our substitution tan k pi over 7. So I can conclude from here k equal to 0. This t equal to 0 indicates k equal to 0. Now if I will consider our hexic equation, this equation, then I can write here tan of k pi over 7 for the values of k equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's write. I will write here k equal to 1, we will write tan pi over 7. K equal to 2, we will write tan 2 pi over 7. K equal to 3, we will write tan 3 pi over 7. K equal to 4, we will write tan 4 pi over 7. K equal to 5, we will write tan 5 pi over 7. And for k equal to 6, we will write tan 6 pi over 7. Now we will consider bottom three values. So tan 4 pi over 7, 5 pi over 7 and tan 6 pi over 7. We can write tan 6 pi over 7 as pi minus pi over 7. Similarly, tan 5 pi over 7 is tan of pi minus, I will write 2 pi over 7. And 4 pi over 7 with tan we will write tan of pi minus 3 pi over 7. Tan of pi minus theta, this is equal to minus tan theta. So here we can write minus tan pi over 7. Let me write here. So this value will be minus tan pi over 7. This will be equal to minus tan 2 pi over 7. And this value will be equal to minus tan 3 pi over 7. Now we have tan pi over 7, tan 2 pi over 7, tan 3 pi over 7, and here we are getting the same roots with negative sign. So I can say this hexic equation has roots. I will write plus minus tan pi over 7 plus minus tan 2 pi over 7 and plus minus tan 3 pi over 7. Now I can write by putting t square equal to y in our hexagon equation. I can write one cubic equation y cube minus 21 y square plus 35 y minus 7 equal to 0. Roots for this equation would be, if I will write here, then I can write tan square pi over 7, tan square 2 pi over 7, and tan square 3 pi over 7. Now we are going to use Vieta's method. So we will write here product of roots. As we know, product of roots, here we have, so I will write equal to minus of minus 7 over the leading coefficient is 1. So RHS is 7. Left hand side will multiply these three roots. If I will write here, then tan square pi over 7 times tan square 2 pi over 7 times tan square 3 pi over 7. Now I will consider the whole square in LHS. So I can write tan pi over 7 times tan 2 pi over 7 times tan 3 pi over 7 whole square. This is equal to 7. Now we will consider square root both sides, and we are going to get our required proof. Tan pi over 7 times tan 2 pi over 7 times tan 3 pi over 7. This will be equal to plus minus square root 7. Now we can see pi over 7, 2 pi over 7, 3 pi over 7. All angles are acute angle. Acute angles. So tan theta would be positive. We will cancel or reject this minus sign. Rejected, as we have all acute angles. So angle will lie in the interval 0 to 90 or in the first quadrant. So we can write our final answer tan pi over 7 times tan 2 pi over 7 times tan 3 pi over 7. This will be equal to plus square root 7. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.